The Florida Punishment Code score sheet is used to calculate someone's potential sentence in prison after being charged with a felony in Florida. The degree of felony tells us what is the maximum sentence that someone could potentially receive. What the score sheet tells us is whether or not there's a minimum sentence that applies. What happens is, every charge in the state of Florida carries a point value, and that point value is put into a mathematical equation, and the number that comes out is a number that is the minimum number of months in prison that have to be served based on what you're charged with. Some charges, quote, score out to prison, some charges don't score out to prison. The cutoff is 44 points. If you have more than 44 points, it's mandatory that you go to prison unless certain exceptions are met. There are some other factors that can influence your sentence as well. Victim injury can be the result of a charge like aggravated battery, where there was a fight and someone was hurt, or a victim injury could be something involving a sexual allegation. But either way, if victim injury points are put onto the score sheet, those points add to your score and bring up the minimum sentence. Either way, when I have a client that's coming in to meet with me that's charged with a felony, we take the time to prepare a score sheet in your case before you come in. We do that free of charge because it allows us to give you some really good advice about where you stand and what potential sentences you might be looking at. It also gives us a head start so that we can start looking at ways to avoid the possibility of you going to prison or having a felony on your record. So if you're charged with a felony, give us a call and let us help you.